Take a ride in the 2021 Escalade ESV. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, sunroof, trailer brake controller, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, heads-up display, keyless start, power outlet, climate control, console, floor mats. The Cadillac Escalade ESV is a longer version of the Escalade. The ESV is a large, luxurious SUV that delivers performance and style. Classy and powerful, it looks great for a night on the town or can haul everything needed for a weekend getaway. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.